As a family trainee, my land experience was invaluable, that I would cherish it forever. Attending land seminars, AUCD conference, disability policy seminar, as well as actively participating in my clinical and leadership placements really helped me advance my leadership and advocacy skills.
Hi, I'm Yuri Frechette. I work here at LEND. I've been here for over a decade, and it's a great program because it will teach you leadership skills, advocacy skills, and it makes you an overall better person for society today.
I would say that my experience as a LEND trainee was easily one of the most memorable and influential components of my graduate training. Whether it was a small group case study or a conversation or advocating for Medicaid rights on Capitol Hill, there was always something extremely valuable to be learned from each opportunity that the LEND program provided us.
My experience with LEND put me on the path of advocacy that would not have happened without this program. From the New Hampshire LEND program, I found my passion for public policy and for advocacy.
LEND has, for sure, made me a more well-rounded professional. It helped me to step back and see the broader system-level issues that affect the children and families that I work with every day, and to really think about how I might be able to make a difference.
My experience at LEND has been one that I'm so grateful for. I feel that the supportive community has taught me so much about what it means to be somebody that supports people with neurodevelopmental disabilities, and the best way to do that is through interprofessional collaboration and taking a look at those social and cultural factors that influence everybody around
Many
us.
of you know I was a LEND trainee in this program in its earliest years. My involvement in LEND taught me to value interdisciplinary collaboration and to elevate family knowledge and expertise. Throughout my career, I've been fortunate to work and learn from so many amazing colleagues across disciplines and many LEND trainees. I'm proud to be part of this great community and the work that we do.
LEND really relit my passion for academia and helped me consider how to bridge my personal life with my professional one by becoming family faculty with New Hampshire Mainland.
What does LEND mean to me? Well, it meant an opportunity to do good work and develop close professional relationships with people I admire and appreciate. I have learned too much from all these colleagues over the years to catalog here. I share the ongoing commitment to the principles upon which the original program was based, ensuring full inclusion and participation of all of those with disabilities and their families.
It was a great experience for me to really get to meet and work with families and gain a deeper understanding of family support and also person-centered practices.
New Hampshire Mainland trains leaders in the field of maternal and child health to improve the lives of children with neurodevelopmental disabilities and their families. It is a true pleasure to be involved in such an outstanding program.
So when we think about the roles within a university of service, teaching, and research, LEND helps us meet that mission because we're not only looking at research, service, and teaching, but we're also looking at community service and advocacy. And so in that regard, the intersectionality of LEND is really central to how I do my job, how our trainees interact with providers, individuals, families, colleagues. And I think that's one of the great strengths.
LEND had a profound impact on both my personal and professional life, as it helped me to identify my next course professionally and where I wanted to land and the kind of focus and emphasis I wanted to have.
With LEND, I was able to spend, albeit rigorous, 9 months with like-minded, caring, and amazing individuals who fed my confidence by validating my skills and opening my mind to new ways of advocacy and activism through public policy, by being able to go to Washington, D.C. and meet with our legislators, and within the field of developmental disabilities.
I think about LEND and my experience in LEND all the time. It is so integral to my work every single day. One of the most important aspects of LEND for me was yes, the ability to work with so many different types of people from different disciplines, kind of with this transdisciplinary approach. But even more so, it made me deeply think about the experiences of people with disabilities, people with health conditions, the impact that has on their lives, and the impact it has on the lives of those that love them and that surround them.
Lend has brought together my lived experience in navigating systems of care for my family. Together with my social work education, I'm ready to embark on a career in improving systems of care for children and families with developmental disabilities and other healthcare needs.
Lend helped broaden my understanding by giving a space for me to dig into my own skills, learn how I interacted with the world as a leader, and to really consider how that could continue to support people with disabilities.
And every day I pull on my interdisciplinary team education from Lend in my day-to-day work. We all work with different disciplines, trying to provide the best care to vulnerable populations, and it may be on the other spectrum of the age gap, so working with the elderly in our communities, but I still pull from that experience and try to optimize that understanding of different roles, utilizing everybody to the best of their skills and abilities in education, all really for advocating for the best care for patients.
I am proud to take my Lend perspective to work with me every day and to be part of building the future disability leaders in the state of New Hampshire and Maine.
And, you know, my longevity and commitment with the Lend program is really a testament to the quality work and the important work that this program does. You know, I'm very proud to be a part of it. The quality of the faculty, the quality of the trainees, and the importance of the work and the interdisciplinary nature of the work has really been very rewarding, very pleasurable, really a fun group to work with, caring, sensitive, and it's just been fabulous.
So to all of you who are part of the Lend family and the greater community, happy birthday, Lend.